Hey everybody, here comes a new real versus fake video. A lot of you seem to like the X300V real versus fake little short video that was put up a few months ago. So these higher risers like the ScalarWorks and then the Unity fast mount like this one here are getting pretty popular, especially with people, a lot of people wanting to aim passively with night vision and shoot with pro masks or gas masks on. So obviously, whenever something like that gets popular, the fake units start showing up. And I just want to say this from the beginning: I never endorse using a like a fake piece for many reasons. One being that doesn't help the company that put the R&D into creating this piece, or I should say this piece, uh, and which when you buy the real piece, even though it costs more, that helps fuel the next round of innovation from that company. So if you buy the fake one that just stole the idea, then that's not helping with future products. So get off my soapbox here. The other reason being, of course, that it's almost guaranteed that the China reproduction is not as good. Um, yeah. So because of that, I'm not even gonna say where this came from. Just I mean, it's easy to find if you want to find it, but I'm not gonna help with that. So first of all, just at first glance, the fake one looks really good. You'll notice the color's a little off. I assume this is anodized, and if you know anything about anodizing, which I really don't, I just know that it doesn't always, especially with tan, come out the same color. So I don't know if you were to buy another real one, it might match this one pretty well. And I only assume that these are anodized. I think they are. All the same features are there. All the markings are there. Even, it's got the backup iron sights in there. Oh, that was something. Oh, okay. If you see those machined ridges there, this is the fake one. I just noticed that they are not perfect on this fake one, but on the real one, let's see if we can see in there. They are pristine. Yeah, so that's the difference. All right, well, let's start. Let's start here. Now, this real one has some use on it, so if it looks a little beat up in areas, then that's why. It's been in the dirt, it's been in the rocks. So of course it says Unity on it. Both of them patent pending. Both of them cage code, which is different. Okay, I don't know. I know what a cage code is. I thought it would be, since there's only one producer of the real one, Unity. I would have thought there'd be one cage code, so I wonder why they didn't reproduce that on the fake one. I don't know. The cage code does not match. And then you got the logo here. The Unity logo is bigger on the fake piece. Let's see if we can... How is this? Okay, this feels... This is a guess, but it feels machined. The Unity, I guess it could be laser on the real one. On the fake one here, it feels it feels flush. So I guess that's just ink. See if we can... Hang on a second. I don't know if I can do this with holding it, but let's see if we can mess it up. Okay, take my word for it. I'm taking a knife to it. Okay. This is the fake one. Okay, I guess that's not anodized because that's flaking off. That's paint. But there's no depth to this lettering, so I think it's painted on. I don't know, but definitely this has either been machined out or lasered out. I can't. I don't know for sure because I can feel it there. But here, let's see what's on the real one here. That's pretty tough. Oh, yeah, there's a little nick in there. Now, if that made you squeamish, then I recommend you need to get your gun out in the dirt more often. That's just my preference. Guns are tools. They get marred up. So let's try that on the fake one. I'm gonna put the camera down for a second. Oh yeah, on the fake one, it definitely shows it a lot quicker. Okay, let's flip it over to the other side. See if there's any difference. They feel basically the same, even that's not very scientific considering one's mounted and has an optic on it and the other doesn't, but the materials feel the same. Doesn't mean anything. Little fit and finish things, like have this this bolt here on the real one, and then over here, which I guess what was the bolt painted after the fact? It's got that silver ring around it. This is never done anything, so it should be pretty pristine how it comes out of the box. But so let's look at the front. Put them together here for it. Okay, once again on the real one, any lettering or markings are smaller, and you have the fake one here where they're bigger. Again, these feel like they're machined or lasered out, and this feels like it's printed on. Well, I guess that about does it. If you came here expecting me to say, yeah, sure, go buy the fake one for your real gun, that's not what I'm saying. Buy the real one for multiple reasons. But you know, with just like for the reason I made the video at the Surefire X 300V real versus fake is there's a huge used market for this kind of stuff, like whether on Facebook or whatever, and it seems like it's pretty common for people to receive fake units when they think they're buying real ones, and so it's good to be able to pick them out and tell the difference. So, okay, well that's it. Hopefully I can find another one of these to make here in the near future. Thanks.